Hey guys, Shane from WowBBQ here, and today we're going to be doing a barbecue twist on a rum classic cocktail, a rum sour. And the way we're going to infuse our barbecue flavors, we're actually going to smoke our simple syrup and grill our citrus, which is going to get a little bit more of that wood smoke into the citrus juice. But also, when you roast the citrus, you get probably 50% more juice out of the fruit once they've been grilled. So we're just going to start by getting some brown sugar into our little saucepan here, and I'm just going to put a touch of water in here just to help that sugar melt a little bit. In a perfect world, it should be about 40-60 ratio, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and pop that just to the side while we get our wood chips into the grill. So we're going to go ahead and take that central grate out. And I'm using hickory wood chips today. They're a nice punchy rounded flavor, and they work brilliantly with this. And I'm not going to bother soaking them because, you know, we're not cooking anything for too long here. We don't really have to get that smolder going as long as possible. And shut the lid. And I'm going to go ahead and have my vents to an absolute minimum because we want that smoke to build up inside the chamber as much as possible. While we're waiting for the syrup to do its thing, let's go ahead and slice all our citrus. I've got 3 limes and 1 lemon. We can go ahead and bang that in the grill as well. And we'll leave it all on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. We don't want it screaming hot. It's bang on 180, which is perfect for this. We don't want to burn our citrus too much because if that happens, a lot of the citrus cells will swell up so much that they start leaching the juice out into the grill, and we want to keep as much of it in the flesh as possible. But you do want that little bit of caramelization. So if you have it too low of a temperature, it's not really going to benefit from that caramelization. Okay guys, you can see the majority of our smoke has stopped coming up, so let's go ahead and get our bits off the grill. So there's our smoked syrup. Just make sure there's no sugar granules left on the bottom. You smell that, it's really taking the smoke flavor on well. And there's our smoked simple syrup, so we can go ahead and pour this into the bigger vessel, help cool it down. And that is about 60% sugar, 40% water. And in a perfect simple syrup, it would be 50-50, but I'm going to be diluting this down with some water and citrus in a bit. Let's go ahead and check on our fruit. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, we can go ahead and squeeze our citrus into our syrup. You can really smell the smoke on that. Let's go ahead and add in our spiced rum. Ice into our glass. And a little chef's tasters back here. And you're just going to fill it up just shy of the lid because we're going to give it a little hit of some soda water as well. All right, and then we'll just pop a little bit of a lime garnish on each one. And that is our smoked rum sour. Oh mate, that's nice. Feels like proper summertime drink. Come and get some.